understanding the phrase, boil up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we'll be looking at the phrase, boil up. Have you ever heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the literal meaning. When you think of boil, you might picture water getting hot and forming bubbles. Indeed, when we say water is boiling, we mean it's getting heated to the point where it starts to vaporize and form bubbles. The word up in this context can emphasize the action or indicate that something is reaching a particular state. Example, can you boil up some water for tea? Now, let's delve into its figurative use. In English, boil up can be used metaphorically to describe emotions, particularly anger or excitement, that are building up or intensifying. Example, he could feel the anger boiling up inside of him. This doesn't mean the person has water inside of him that's heating up. It's a way of expressing that the emotion is growing stronger, similar to how water boils and intensifies with heat. It's always good to know how to use a phrase in daily life. Here are some examples. 1. Concerning emotions, I could sense the tension boiling up in the room. 2. Talking about situations, there's a lot of controversy boiling up around that new policy. 3. Asking about food, could you boil up some potatoes for dinner? Remember, context is everything. The meaning might change slightly depending on the situation, but if you keep in mind the basic ideas of intensifying or building up, you'll be on the right track. And there you have it. The phrase, boil up, has both literal and figurative meanings in English. It's a versatile phrase that can enrich your language skills, whether you're talking about making a cup of tea or describing intense emotions. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!